Hello guys, today we're going to install this amazingly nice let's see, interior light delay for Vanagon. This one is a nice one. I found it on eBay, and you can adjust the delay by a small potentiometer inside here. Let's just try the installation and see how it looks. I have already hooked down the... Why is this not working? Okay. I have already disassembled this one. It's very easy, just press it one way and push it down. So, now we're going to see how this works. I need to put you on a stand. Okay, we have 4 wires. Red for positive, constant, which means you can turn on the light without having the ignition on. Brown one is earth, and then the brown white is the trigger for the door switch. What you need to connect this one is the same thing. Red one I already terminated. Yeah, put on this terminal, which you can make like this. You can see it with your hands. Like this, and then you just put this one in, and that looks nice. The brown one was earth, and this one is black on the earth, so you just need to insert it over here. Yes. Then the white and brown, or brown and white. The blue one is inserted over here where the brown and white was, and then you have the white one, which I also has prepared with this terminal, and then this one goes in here. Let's see what's happened. Let's put it up. I can also see a red LED inside here. I'm closing the door, and it's still on for about 5 seconds or something. And there you go. And the LED inside turns off as well. Opening the door, came back on. I'm closing it. About 5 seconds. And there we go. That is a nice feature, eh? And if we open this box, which is really easy to open, let me see. If we can make this focus. Okay. Looks like this. There you can adjust it. From 0 to, I think, almost 1 minute. Okay, so I love this feature. I will provide links for it up in the corner and down below, so you can check it out. You also need to know it's drawing some small current. I think it was about 20 milliamps. So if you park the car for a long time, then this one may be drain your battery. But if you use it on a daily basis, no problem. All car has this small power drain, so you can't avoid it if you want something like this. Okay, here we have it, back in place, and opening and closing, and about 5 seconds. Fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.